A recent film that you loved.
A recent film that I loved. Uh,
Akshay Kumar या Salman Khan, better sense of humor.
oh God, मरवाओगे फरीदून.
हीरा मंडी 2 या दबंग 4.
Oh, you really want to get me in trouble, huh?
उमराव जान या पाकीज़ा, better film. मीना कुमारी in पाकीज़ा या रेखा in उमराव जान.
Can you do this to me, Farid? You're behaving like Faridan.
बिब्बो जान या आलमज़ेब, who's prettier?
Oh God, stop it. Hi, this is Sonakshi Sinha, and you're watching Connect Cine with Faridoon. Stay connected.
If you can describe your Hira Mandi experience in a word.
Magical.
Magical. Okay, your most challenging role ever apart from Hira Mandi yet.
The Heart.
Okay, if you could time travel, which Bollywood classic would you like to play the leading woman in?
Oh wow, if I could time travel. Of course, Mughal-e-Azam.
All right, okay. One thing people don't know about you, but you wish they knew.
That I'm 5'8". A lot of people assume I'm much shorter for some reason.
Okay. One thing that there is a misconception about you, and you'd like to clarify.
Misconception. I don't know. I've not really heard anything.
Okay. One feedback or advice from a director that changed your life.
It's not advice, but I learned how to completely surrender to a character while shooting with Sanjay Leela Bhansali. So I think that how I learned how to surrender, that is something that I think would really help me go a long way as well.
All-time favorite film.
All-time favorite film. ऐसे ही मतलब कोई भी. That's a difficult one. Fight Club.
Interesting. Okay, if you could be your all-time 3 favorite projects of your own apart from Hira Mandi.
Lutera, Akira, and The Heart.
All right. A recent film that you loved.
I'm really looking forward to watching Lapata Ladies because I love the trailer, and I think that is going to be going to be a recent film that I will love.
All right. Okay. How does Sanjay Leela Bhansali, the editor, contribute to Sanjay Leela Bhansali, the director?
I think it works very beautifully because while he's directing, he knows exactly it is what he wants. He does the editing while directing, I feel, most of it. But yeah, it always helps to be the editor on your own film because it's your vision and it's just easier, I feel.
Okay, your personal favorite song from Hira Mandi?
My personal favorite song is Tilasmi Bahe, of course, because it was just such a beautiful experience for me. But other than that, I love the Azadi song. It's so moving.
And you know, Tilasmi Bae, I think it sums up Faridan completely because वो तिलिस्म है उसका.
Bilkul. I think it's I can't even tell you how we did that song. Sanjay sir decided on the day of the shoot that he wants to shoot it in one take. हमने 4 दिन रखे थे वो गाना शूट करने के लिए. उन्होंने फर्स्ट डे पे कहा मुझे एक टेक में करना है, एक शॉट में. तो I मतलब I don't know how I've done it, but it actually turned out Tilasmi only.
You know, I've seen you perform, and we have discussed that in the past. You really enjoy your dance performance. वो लगता ही नहीं है कि आप हजारों लोगों के सामने आप perform करें. But when it comes to Sanjay Bansali and his set, was it a different experience?
It was there was definitely a lot because I know the level of perfection that he wants from his actors, but that's what I'm saying about surrender. I had to completely just go there and be like, you know what, now perform. It's like Aditi's dialogue. आप करेंगे या मरेंगे. You know, so it was literally like that, and I knew that he's a very hard man to impress. So forget about everything. Just go there and do your thing. Enjoy yourself, and he'll see that. He'll appreciate that, and that's exactly what happened.
Okay, as a woman playing this character and just working with Sanjay Bansali, how has it changed you as a woman yourself?
It's made me a much more stronger woman, I feel, and a much more patient woman. This was not an easy set to be on, um, in terms of just the all of us had to have that come together for this one agenda, which is executing this one man's vision, really. And the timings, in terms of the timings, like I said, the costumes, the jewelry, everything was very demanding of you. So I feel just um, being on this set and working with Sir has made me a much much stronger actor. I think I've come out as a much better actor as well.
All right. What is it that you couldn't tell Manisha Koirala that you'd like to say now?
Nothing. I'm always just fangirling over her. She's so lovely. I तो मतलब I tell her everything. In fact, I want to say sorry that that I was so mean to you.
नहीं, लेकिन उन्होंने भी तो आपको कांच के ऊपर चलवा दिया.
उनका हक है वो कुछ भी कर सकते. I can't believe.
कांच पे चलवा दिया, आपको खून बहाया आपका. Okay, and your all-time favorite Manisha Koirala film?
Khamoshi. Definitely.
Khamoshi, of course. Okay, true or false?
Yes.
Following statements. Sonakshi Sinha 2.0 courtesy OTT is getting better roles than films.
Very true.
Faridan has been the best experience of my career as an actor.
True.
Sanjay Leela
One of the best, but
Sanjay Leela Bhansali is the dream director for every actress.
true.
Movie critics have often been unfair with me.
No, I can't call someone's opinion unfair.
Alright.
It's okay. Yeah.
I enjoy performance-oriented roles more than song and dance roles.
True.
Okay. Ye ya wo, either or, if you have to choose one. Akshay Kumar ya Salman Khan, better sense of humor.
Oh God, मरवाओगे फरीदून. I can't choose.
Hira Mandi 2 ya Dabang 4, what would you choose?
Oh, you really want to get me in trouble, huh? How to choose? That's like my first film what I started with, and this is like I'm getting so much love for it. Oh God. Hina Mandi 2, I'm sorry, I'm gonna say it.
Okay, Prabhudeva ya Abhinav Kashyap, better director.
Better director, I can't compare them. I've done some great films with both of them, so can't compare.
Umrao Jan ya Pakiza, better film.
Pakiza.
Meena Kumari in Pakiza ya Rekha in Umrao Jan.
How can you do this to me, Farid? You're behaving like Faridan.
But ये तो
You're just
the context है आपके picture है series है
all mirchi you're putting. God, that's such a tough one. I love Rekha ji. So yeah, Rekha ji in Umrao.
रेखा जी इन मुकद्दर का सिकंदर या रेखा जी इन उमराव जान.
Umrao ja.
बिब्बो जान या आलम ज़ेब, who's prettier?
Oh God, stop it. I'm not answering this. They are both very pretty.
पद्मावत या बाजीराव मस्तानी, your personal favorite?
Padma.
फरीदन का गुरूर या फरीदन का हुस्न?
फरीदन का गुरूर.
फरीदन का मुजरा या फरीदन की मर्दों पर पकड़, which is more intoxicating?
मुजरा तो करवाया नहीं सर ने मुझसे एट ऑल. तो फरीदन का की पकड़ ऑन मर्द.